Yeah, once again, I welcome the next topic of the chapter, the right of the citizen in Saudi Arabia. My dear student, before starting this topic, rights of citizen in Saudi Arabia, I would like to prefer to give some primary information regarding the Saudi Arabia and other countries. If you see that there are two major world war are there in the world. The first world war in 1914 to 1918, 1914 से लेके 1918 तक फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर हुआ. दैट गेव द मैसेज टू द colonial ruler that the peoples have kind of awareness, the people have kind of awareness, and they can be more attacking mood. This was the sign in 1914 to 1918, but that was no major impact on the colonial ruler. अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें या विश्व के अन्य किसी देश की बात करें. बट इन द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर इन 1939 to 1945, after the second world war, most of the nation in the world declare as a independent country. And when they have declared independent country, they have established their own system in their own country. The system of democracy, the system of republic, they have established. And most of the nation in the world, they have give the provision to their citizen. They elect their government. तमाम ऐसे विश्व के ऐसे देश रहे जो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद दे गॉट द चांस टू इलेक्ट देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव गवर्नमेंट. बट स्टिल देयर आर सम कंट्रीज दोज हु आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द सिस्टम ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. देयर रूलर आर नॉट इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंट्री एंड दे आर इन देयर ओन लिमिटेशंस. सो हेयर we are going to discuss about the story of Saudi Arabia, what kind of rights are there in the hand of the peoples of Saudi Arabia. So we are going to discuss about it, that what is the scene of Saudi Arabia, अभी भी क्या स्थिति है सऊदी अरेबिया में. We are going to discuss. Saudi Arabia is a monarchy, a country which is ruled by a king. Still the Saudi Arabia we can consider is a monarchy country, a country which is ruled by a hereditary king. It means there is no elections, there is no democracy, the people don't have right to elect their representative. Still they are following their old pattern in which the king are directly elected on the basis of hereditary process. आज मैं, कल मेरा बेटा, परसों मेरे बेटे का बेटा, नरसों मेरे बेटे का बेटा, ये एक वंशानुगत क्रम में सारी चीजें चली आ रही हैं सऊदी अरेबिया में. स्टिल इट इज कंसिडर एज ए मोनार्क कंट्री. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम आर देयर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ राइट्स आर एंजॉयड बाय द पीपल्स ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया, एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड रूल्स आर एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय हेरिडेटरी किंग इन सऊदी अरेबिया, we are going to discuss in this chapter. First is very important, the position of the king is hereditary. As I told you, the position of king is hereditary, means एक वंशानुगत क्रम में, वंशानुगत क्रम ये होता है बच्चों कि today I am the king of Saudi Arabia, tomorrow my son or my daughter will become the king or queen of Saudi Arabia. It is a process in Saudi Arabia that all the kings and queens are elected on the basis of hereditary process. The legislature, executive, judges are appointed by king. There is no independent process where the leader, where the legislature, executive or judiciary are elected by the proper channel. No, my dear. All the legislatures, all the executives, all the judiciary, all the judges of judiciary, they are appointed or elected by directly by the king. किंग के द्वारा इलेक्ट होते हैं, एंड लेटर कैन रिवर्स एनी ऑफ देयर डिसीजन. वॉट एवर द किंग हैव टेकन एनी डिसीजन, it can be reversed. It is not happening in the democratic system. If the democratic government take any decision, always take any decision through the procedure, and whenever elected government or democratic government take any decision in reverse, they have to face the proper channel. आज सरकार ने अगर कोई डिसीजन लिया है तो डिसीजन के माध्यम से प्रॉपर लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, देश के प्रेसिडेंट, प्रॉपर चैनल से वो डिसीजन लिया जाता है, और अगर उसको रिवर्स करना होता है तो भी पूरे के पूरे चैनल को, पूरे के पूरे प्रोसेस को करना पड़ता है. बट इन अ सिस्टम वेयर द किंग आर इलेक्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हेरिडेटरी, दे कैन रिवर्स बैक, नो नीड टू फॉलोइंग एनी प्रोसीजर्स. सो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया. थर्ड इज the formation of political parties is illegal and media cannot be publish anything without which the king does not like. As I told you that there is no democracy in Saudi Arabia, it means there is no right to freedom. If there is no right to freedom, it means the people of Saudi Arabia don't have right to form union or association. They don't have right. They cannot form their political party, they cannot form their union, they cannot form their association, because there is no democracy and there is a media. There are so many of restrictions are imposed by the king in Saudi Arabia. If the king don't want to publish or broadcast any news, the print media or electronic media cannot do. The print media, electronic media in Saudi Arabia have to follow all the rules which is set by the king in Saudi Arabia. We don't have right to form union, we don't have right to form political parties, even the media don't have right to publish anything which is king don't want. जिसको राजा नहीं चाहता है वो पब्लिश नहीं कर सकते हैं, लाइव टेलीकास्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. सऊदी अरेबिया में आप पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को नहीं बना सकते हैं. The Saudi Arabia cannot follow their religion freely. Non-Muslim cannot follow their own religion, only in private. Saudi Arabia people cannot follow their religion freely. There are actually Saudi Arabia basically there are peoples, those who are following the different religion, but they are not follow their religion freely. There are some rules and regulations according to which they have to be act, जिनको act करना होता है, and non-Muslim can follow their religion only in private. Saudi Arabia is a Muslim country. There are so many people, those who just settle down over there with the business purpose. If they want to their religious practice, if they want to perform their religious practice, they have to perform privately, not publicly. These are the restrictions basically which just make a Saudi Arabia a unique nation. अब यूनिक को आप पॉजिटिव वे में लीजिएगा, नेगेटिव वे में लीजिएगा, बट नॉन मुस्लिम डोंट हैव राइट टू परफॉर्म देयर religious beliefs or religious practice in openly. They have to do all these things in privately. Many restrictions are imposed in women's. If you talk about the women's, still there are so many restrictions are imposed in the women's right. Women's don't have the particular right. They have to follow all the rules and regulations which is set by the king. They cannot move freely. They cannot raise their voice. There are so many restrictions. देश के आजादी 21वीं शताब्दी में भी 21वीं सदी में भी women are not enjoying their rights whatever they want. Testimony of one man is considered equal to that of two women. Still एक व्यक्ति को दो महिलाएं रखने का अधिकार भी है. Women don't have right. They are facing the so many of problems. I know that Saudi Arabia is a very developed country, but still there are so many restrictions, so many things which are Saudi Arabia is lacking behind. In the terms of rights, the peoples of Saudi Arabia not enjoying, not celebrating the fundamental rights as the other country peoples are enjoying. If you compare the Indian citizen or the Saudi Arabia citizen, there are big difference while enjoying the rights. So if you talk about the fundamental rights or the rights are totally different in Saudi Arabia as we compare to the another nation. आज भी तमाम तरीके की रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, तमाम तरीके की बाध्यताएं, तमाम तरीके के नियंत्रण सऊदी किंग के द्वारा वहाँ की जनता पर, वहाँ की डेमोक्रेसी पर, वहाँ के लेजिस्लेचर्स पर, वहाँ की जुडिशरी पर, all these things are done by the king, nothing else. No independent organization, no independent body, no constitutional body. Whatever the king want, it happens. Everything, every task is done with the permission of the king. This is the situation of Saudi Arabia. So in the terms, if we talk about the terms of right, if we talk about the terms of independence, the situation of Saudi Arabia we cannot consider is a good situation. आज 21वीं शताब्दी में भी सऊदी अरबिया की सिचुएशन बहुत अच्छी नहीं मानी जा सकती है. आज भी वहाँ पर मोनार्की सिस्टम है और जनता के जो मूलभूत अधिकार हैं वो भी राजा के हाथ में ही है. किंग, वट एवर द किंग वॉन्ट, इट हैपन्स इन सऊदी अरेबिया. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच रिगार्डिंग दिस टॉपिक. सो आई होप दैट यू गॉट अंडरस्टैंड, आपको समझ में आया होगा. अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलते हैं बच्चों, जो इसी चैप्टर का है और इसके बारे में और हम लोग विस्तार से बात करेंगे राइट्स के बारे में. थैंक यू.